Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Misconception Monday. Apparently, there's quite a few videos out, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, talking about renting instead of buying a home. The concept being that since your home is not an asset, and bear with me, we'll deal with that in a moment. Since your home is not an asset, just rent. There's a huge problem with that concept. I own rent property. I know what? Rents are going up and up and up. When you get a mortgage, does your mortgage go up? No, it stays the same the entire time you own the house if you use the correct mortgage. And rents are higher than purchasing. So what they're saying is don't buy a home, rent, and invest the money. But if your rent is higher than a mortgage, what money are you investing? It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. While a home is not an asset, remember, assets put money in your pocket every month. Liabilities take money out of your pocket every month. However, your home is like a savings program. If you rent for 30 years, what do you have at the end of that 30 years? Nothing. But if you buy a home for $200,000 and at the end of 30 years it's worth $600,000, you've at least got $600,000 when you sell that house. So don't be deceived, think deeply, do the math. Owning a home is better than renting in almost every case. That's Misconception Monday. Thanks for watching.